In front of me is Honor 200, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again and tap on Device Unlock. Finally, access Biometrics and Password to enter face recognition. Then, after entering your screen lock, you can click on Enable Raise to Wake to switch on or off this option and hit Get Started. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then hit Enable or Later. Manage all of those options however you want to, and when you finished, go back. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!